Hello everyone, this is Dr. Schwer, and in this video we'll be talking about the course outcomes, the assignments that you'll do, and the schedule on which you'll do them. So again, I just want to take you through some of this to make the course a little bit more comprehensible. So I am looking here at the outcomes from the course syllabus. And you see that these all have to do with you, obviously, learning how to craft good nonfiction writing. So you need to read some nonfiction, and that's why examples of the types of writing that we're going to be doing are included. You'll need to know the basic elements. You will demonstrate your confidence through doing peer review of other students' work. And you will also engage in revising your own work significantly. And again, as in all English classes, critical reading and thinking abilities are very, very important tools for your future success that we are cultivating. Here are the assignments. There will be 7 major papers in different genres. I'm thinking pages of 4 to 5, 12-point font typed in length, each worth 100 points. Peer reviews, 10 points each for those, and you'll do that every other week. Discussion posts and responses every other week. And then at the end of class, we'll talk more about this in the second half of class, but at the end of class, I want you to revise again 3 of your best essays and provide a narrative about how you revise them and what you learned from the assignment. And there will be various smaller assignments for smaller number of points. Let's return now to the question of the timing of assignments. And so, again, as I've mentioned before, this class is unusual in that instead of week-long modules, the modules are every 2 weeks. The first week will be preparation for your writing, readings about the writing genre, readings in the writing genre, and generally either a discussion or a quiz or both, discussing what you got out of these readings. And then the second week will consist of drafting an essay in the genre that we've been looking at. I will provide a couple of pre-writing exercises, perhaps a style exercise, and the drafting schedule. At this point, this is the drafting schedule I'm going to ask you to keep. Tuesday, the first draft would be posted for peer review. This is the second week of the module, so this would be next week. Wednesday, peer review would be due. Thursday, a revised draft is due to the instructor. And Sunday, the final copy is due in Blackboard. That means that between Thursday and Sunday, I will get your draft back with my comments. So you'll get feedback from peers, you'll get feedback from me, and you'll get a grade from me for that, but you'll have yet another chance to revise the essay in your final portfolio if you choose that essay to include. All right. And so that's an overview of the assignments and when they are to be due.